Hello loves, welcome to my channel. It's Ada's Recipes again with you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious and soft eggless Nigerian donuts. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you guys. So in a bowl, add 1.5 cup of evaporated milk. You can as well use fresh milk, okay? Then add 2.5 tablespoons of yeast. Then you mix. Cover and leave for 5 minutes. The next thing you're going to do is to sift 3 cups of all-purpose flour initially. Add 3 tablespoons sugar, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon grated nutmeg. Then you mix the dry ingredients together. So this is the milk yeast mixture. So you stir. Then you add the flour. So you're going to mix this very well. Add 2 tablespoons margarine and continue to mix. So add or sprinkle some flour. To prevent it from sticking. Then transfer onto a flat surface and continue to knead. So sprinkle some flour to kind of prevent it from sticking, okay? You're going to knead this for about 10 minutes. Then transfer to a greased bowl. So grease your bowl with vegetable oil or margarine, okay? Then you cover with a towel and leave for 30 minutes. So after 1 hour 30 minutes, this is how our dough is. So press it down to deflate the dough. Transfer to a flat surface. Our dough at this point is very soft, so I have 1/4 cup of flour, okay, and I'll be adding it little at a time. So in total, I used about 3 cups plus 1/4 cup of flour. The next thing you're going to do is to roll the dough this way. Then you divide. So this is the tray. As you guys can see, I floored the tray. Like, I sprinkled flour on the tray to prevent the dough from sticking to the tray, okay? So roll it this way. It's time to give our dough a donut shape, okay? So this is what you're going to do. You press it, then you use any round object you have, okay? So this is our donut dough. You repeat the same process until you exhaust your dough. So this is it. We're going to cover for another 30 minutes. So this is our donut dough. After 30 minutes, heat up your oil in a low medium heat and start frying. You're going to fry this on both sides for 5 minutes, okay? You fry the first side, then you flip over the second side. So the first side takes about 2 minutes plus, okay? So you're going to fry on both sides for 5 minutes. Guys, this is it. Our delicious donut is ready. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. Bye bye.